Autonomous uncrewed systems are providing new capabilities for the warfighter. Compact modular payloads enable a broader range of mission capabilities. Software modules deliver multi-step edge autonomy enabled by Red Hat Device Edge. Autonomy capabilities support aircraft diversity. The Scout drone identifies a signal of intent. The drone swarm launches a multi-step mission.
3, 2, 1.
Control of the autonomous mission is handed over to the Scout. The swarm self-organizes and switches to electronic attack. Lockheed Martin's Edge Intelligence delivers mission success.